Hi everyone, welcome to my refurbished YouTube channel. My name's Shaden, or as some of you may know me, as Shaded Art. I began this YouTube channel back in 2016 and well, I haven't done much with it since. My plan is to create tips, tricks and tutorials for creatives with particular focus to the comic creation and graphic art. I've been drawing and painting my entire life, however I've been professionally creating art for the last 6 years. In that time, I've managed to complete a bachelor's degree in digital media with honours, while also self-publishing 2 comics titled No Man's Land, but more on that later. During my career, I have had many opportunities to develop my skill set in a wide range of mediums, including spray painting to digital painting and character design. I work fluently in both traditional and digital mediums, often creating my work with both techniques. This can include inking, watercolour to vector arts for logos. Since 2014, I've had numerous pieces of art published in many different printed material, such as children's books, student magazines, and as I mentioned before, No Man's Land, my original sequential graphic novel. No Man's Land was the finished product of my honours degree, which I completed in 2018. I had always been fascinated in storytelling and combining it with my own art style. No Man's Land is still in development, however I wish to extend it over 4 volumes in the future. It's centred around street skating, following Gwen and her 2 friends as they compete against 4 other teams over an unclaimed skating territory in their own town, Winderland. The focus of the story highlights the importance of building other women up, rather than tearing one another down. If you are interested in No Man's Land, I've left links to my online store in the description. With my experience in writing, developing and publishing No Man's Land, I hope to provide comprehensive tutorials in graphic art and creating comics, as well as showcasing my skill set. I'm super excited to share this channel with you guys, so thank you for taking the time to watch this video and I'll see you in the next one.